Our world is becoming increasingly interconnected. The Internet of Things, or IoT, refers to the billions of physical devices around the globe that are now connected to the Internet, collecting and sharing data. It's a complex network of objects, from your coffee maker to your car, all communicating and sharing information to make our lives more efficient. IoT is transforming the way we live and work. It's not just about smart home appliances or wearable fitness trackers. It's about how these devices interact with each other and with us. They can monitor our health, increase our productivity, and even help us save energy. However, with great connectivity comes great responsibility. As more and more devices become part of the IoT, the potential for security breaches increases. Hackers can gain access to personal information, interfere with the functioning of devices, or even launch large-scale attacks. That's where CompTIA security professionals come in. Our job is to ensure the security of these devices and the data they generate. We implement security measures, monitor networks, and respond to threats. Our goal is to keep the IoT safe and secure for everyone. In conclusion, the Internet of Things is revolutionizing our lives, but it also presents new challenges in terms of security. As CompTIA security professionals, we are at the forefront of tackling these challenges, ensuring that the benefits of IoT can be enjoyed without fear.